Yeah, sorry about that glitch. In order to get it working, you just have to close your terminal and open a new terminal. And now if you type git, if you get this, then that's all installed properly. Now finally, let's just go to download LimeJS. We'll get the zip package. In here, well, you can also get access to the documentation and the community of users, which I strongly recommend. We are finally getting closer, and it's just downloading now. Yeah, downloads. I told you I was gonna be clumsy and slow when it comes to Mac. I'm sorry about it. Okay, cool. So we've downloaded this file, this folder. I'm just gonna move it to my user folder and rename it. Yeah, LimeJS. Cool. Now if you look what's inside, it's similar to what I showed you in the previous lesson, but we are missing a few of the folders. We don't have the closure library or the box 2D library. So that's what we do next. We just go inside of this folder, and now we're gonna run the file that's inside bin. If we just do bin and then lime.py, and we'll just type in it. This is the initial command that you have to run when you first install LimeJS. After you get started with it, you don't have to run this anymore. And with what this does, it's downloading the closure library using Git. That's why we installed Git before. The closure library was created by Google, and it's used in massive web applications such as Gmail, Google Docs. Now, you may wonder, why are we using that? That's so big. I just want to make a small game. Well, it's made in such a way that each component is like a building block, so you can also use it in smaller projects. And LimeJS is based on this library. It adds a lot of simplicity, it's very modular, and if your project ever needs to scale, you'll be on the right track. The other library that we installed, as you can see here somewhere, I saw it, that was the box 2D. Yeah, that's a physics library that will allow you to make games such as Angry Birds or Cut the Rope, where there's physics involved. So now, if we look into our folder, the remaining libraries were installed, and the last thing that we have to do today is just create a new game project. For that, I'm gonna run that same command again. So I do bin slash lime.py, and you do create. Our first project is gonna be called Hello World. Awesome. And we have here our first game project, which is not really empty because LimeJS puts a few things inside. It'd be great if you can go through this process on your own, so that you make sure that you get it running. If you reach this point, you're all good for today, and you're all ready for the next lesson, in which we'll regroup with the people from the other operating systems, and we'll get started with putting some things on the screen. Well, thanks for your attention, and I'll see you soon.